This is how a shy girl like me overcome my insecurities. Back when I was a kid, I really had these two large protruding teeth. So my tendency is to cover my mouth while I smile and sometimes when I speak, para lang hindi ma-point out yung ngipin ko. When I was a teen naman, na-insecure ako dun sa girls na ligawin. Nung time na yon naisip ko, sana mas naging matangkad na lang ako at mas may shape yung katawan para mas dalaga ako tingnan. Kasi ang tingin sa akin noon, bata. Until we had this activity in college wherein we need to write a message to our classmates. Nung binasa ko na yon, doon ko nalaman, na-appreciate pala ako ng classmates ko. Yung iba doon, ang sabi pa sa akin, bakit daw sobrang mahiyain ako? May itsura naman daw ako, may utak, saka nice naman daw. Noon ko unti-unting nakita yung good qualities ko, na kahit hindi ako perfect, meron pa rin akong maipagmamalaki sa sarili ko. All I can say is focus on your strengths, make them stronger, then use them para gumawa ng mabuti. Huwag niyo akong gayahin na hinintay ko pang may magsabi sa akin how good I really am. Learn to discover your beauty, kasi ikaw ang unang makakakita niyan at hindi iba.